In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set email alerts for new listings on eBay, so you'll get notifications every time a new item that you're interested in gets listed. This is especially useful if you're on the hunt for something specific, and you want to be the first to know when it pops up. Let's dive right into the process. First, ensure you're logged into your eBay account. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, simply head over to the eBay website and enter your login details. If you don't have an eBay account yet, you'll need to create one, as these notifications are only available to registered users. Logging in is crucial because eBay needs to know which email address to send these alerts to. Once you're logged in, take a look at the search bar located prominently at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to enter the exact item you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for a Sony A7 tray body only, type this into the search bar and hit enter. The precision of your keywords matters greatly, as it will define the relevancy of the search results and subsequent alerts you receive. Next, after your search results load, it's time to refine them using filters. You'll usually find filter options on the left side of the page. Depending on your needs, you might want to specify that the item should be used or new. You can also select the buy it now option if you prefer immediate purchases over auctions. Setting a price range can also help narrow your options, ensuring that you only get alerts for items within your budget. Applying these filters helps tailor the search results to your exact needs. With your results refined, look for the Save This Search link, usually found near the top right corner of the search results page. Clicking this link will save your query, and eBay will keep an eye on the marketplace for you. This is the magic step where you tell eBay, hey, keep me posted if anything new matches this search. After you've clicked the Save This Search link, you're all set. From that point onward, every time a new listing appears that matches your specific search criteria, eBay will notify you via email. This means you no longer have to constantly check back on the site. Instead, you'll receive timely alerts directly in your inbox. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can stay ahead of the game and snap up the items you really want the moment they become available. Embrace the power of email alerts and make your eBay shopping experience smoother and more efficient. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're looking for.